Drowning in support tickets with no time to analyze patterns? Here's how to get an automated weekly summary of your Zendesk trends delivered straight to your inbox. No manual work required. First, we set up a weekly trigger that runs every Sunday at midnight. This automatically kicks off the analysis process, so you never have to remember to pull reports or manually review ticket data. Next, the workflow uses Yedrick, your AI agent, to analyze all Zendesk conversations from the past 7 days. He identifies the top customer issues, spots trends in user confusion, and provides specific examples with ticket links. This skillful AI teammate focuses on actual customer problems, not just ticket metadata, giving you actionable insights about what users are struggling with. Finally, you receive a comprehensive email report every Monday morning with trend analysis, ticket counts, direct links to conversations, and practical recommendations for your product team. Thanks, Yedrick. So get MESA, the AI automation platform that helps you do more with less effort. Get started today with templates like this one, or build your own workflows from scratch. Make it happen at getmesa.com.